My quick review of this Downlight. It's colored red, blue, green, and white. The 2-second version of the review is it's very bright, which is fantastic. It is a little expensive, but I assume that's because they put more and perhaps better quality LEDs, which accounts for the increased brightness compared to other bulbs like this. And before you buy it, make sure you know that it's going to fit in your house in the place that you want it. So here's where I ran into a little trouble on the install with this light. So it comes with a connector that plugs into the socket for the light, which is really nice, but the problem is the way my can lights work. This is where the socket is. It's already built inside this. It's not up there in the ceiling. And so if I connect that socket connector, then the idea would be to put this inside here, which I was hoping would be the solution, but it doesn't fit. These springs and the rubber is too big, and so it doesn't fit. So what I'm going to have to do is work out something else. I think this is supposed to just go in around the wall, you know, or go here, and expecting that socket would be up there. So I'm going to come up with another way to do it. Now I really wanted to see what was going on the inside of this light. This is as far as I could get it apart, unfortunately, without destroying it. I expect that what I would have found is an ESP8266 chip and some red, blue, green, and white LEDs. But I wanted to know how many, how they were arranged, and whether or not you could change the firmware, because that's what I like to do. And these are really bright, and so I was very curious about which kind of LEDs and how many there were. But alas, without destroying this light, I can't get in there and see what it looks like. That's too bad. Setting this light up in the app is pretty simple. It uses the Smart Life app. Inside the app, you have some choices of a lot of different settings. Modes was kind of nice. That's where you can do different effects with the lights. This entertainment one with the flashing I thought was kind of cool. What has impressed me most about this light is how bright it is. It's listed as 10 watts, and since most of your 60-watt equivalent LED bulbs are about 6 watts, having a 10-watt LED bulb does mean it's going to be pretty bright. Set Zemismart to blue.
A few things share that name. Which one did you want?
Zemismart.
Okay.
Set Zemismart to green.
A few things share that name. Which one did you want?
Zemismart.
Okay.
So overall, it's a nice light. I like what they're trying to do by making it fit into a can in your ceiling. Unfortunately for me, it doesn't seem to fit just right in the way mine are done in my house. It's plenty bright, so that's a big plus. A lot of these colored LED lights, when they go to do the colors, they're very dim. Not the case here. This one's very bright. Overall, good light. I like it. That's it.